Are you looking for the best drills in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best drills that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Kobalt XDR 24V 112 in keyless brushless cordless drill KXDD 18424A. If you're in search of a cordless drill driver and battery combo that can do it all, and you don't already have a preferred tool brand, then we strongly urge you to consider the Kobalt XDR 24V 112. This model shines in our 2 most important testing metrics, drilling and driving. It was able to cut a 5-inch hole in our solid core testing door in just 17 seconds, and it drove a lag screw to the full 5-inch depth with ease, with a max chuck of 1/2 inches and 200 pounds of reported max torque. The Kobalt can handle almost anything you throw at it. Our testers were highly impressed, using phrases like beast mode and absolutely demolished it to describe the boost of power we experienced during our drilling and driving tests. We also appreciate that it includes a battery and charger at a price point that other brands charge for a bare tool. In addition to great performance and a budget-friendly price for a complete kit, the batteries offer a lot of life before needing to be recharged, driving over 140 screws and drilling 26 holes before running dead in our tests. Also worth noting is that there are many Kobalt 24V battery-compatible tools for when you are looking at expanding the capabilities of your workspace or garage shop. While the Kobalt XDR 24V is a top recommendation, it is a little heavier and bulkier than other top models, weighing just over 4 pounds. Up next in the 4th place is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2 inches drill driver. If you're on the hunt for a burly cordless tool, and you are okay with buying a battery separately, then the Milwaukee M18 Fuel is a prime candidate. This drill has a 200 pounds reported max torque, making it great for heavy-duty applications and offering more than enough drilling and driving power for almost every task imaginable. Our testers felt much more comfortable the whole way through during the 3-inch screw tests when compared to others, and this model crushed it in our lag screw test, driving the beefy fastener to its full 5 inches depth. We feel satisfied knowing this tool will lend confidence and consistency to your workday. It performed nearly as well in our drilling metric. When we attached our 5-inch hole saw bit, the M18 could drill through a solid core door in just 15 seconds. The battery is also efficient as it bores more holes and drives in more screws than other models using the same capacity battery, and has one of the shortest charge times to boot, taking just 25 minutes to fully refuel. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel is noticeably heavy, weighing quite a bit more than other contenders at just over 4 pounds. However, this is not an unusual weight for a tool of this caliber. Our bigger gripe is that it lands on the pricier end of the spectrum, not even counting the battery or charger. Those who don't plan on using a drill regularly, or might not require the drilling and driving power for heavy-duty applications, may find other options more suitable for their budget. The 3rd product on our list is the Craftsman V20 112N Drill Driver Kit CMCD 700C1. The Craftsman V20 112N drill driver is one of the less expensive options, but it holds its own against tools that cost quite a bit more. It did surprisingly well in some of our toughest tests, boring holes up to 5 inches in diameter without issue and offering plenty of control when it came to setting countersunk 3 inches deck screws to the appropriate depth. While it couldn't drive a lag bolt to the full depth, it got most of the way there, reaching 4.37 in. Our testing team claims it isn't overly heavy and would be a great complement to the occasional DIer or a homeowner's toolbox, provided you don't have any super burly jobs to work through. It also did relatively well in our convenience testing, offering an easy battery change, a well-placed battery life indicator, and a max chuck of 1/2, so you aren't restricted to using only smaller bit sizes. The Craftsman V21 drill driver isn't our top recommendation if you are shopping on a budget and looking to use this tool as the foundation for your eventual cordless tool collection. We don't think the library of compatible tools is as popular or readily available as other battery systems, and it's much smaller overall. Combined with the fact that you usually only get a single battery to use across multiple tools, we suggest investing a bit more if you plan to procure more cordless versions of your favorite tools in the future. Second on our list is the Black+Decker 20V Max Drill Driver LDX 120C. If you only want to do light-duty DIY projects around your home and don't need to invest in a beefy, professional-grade drill, check out the Black+Decker 20V Max Drill Driver LDX 120C. This tool costs significantly less than the top models and has enough power for most tasks. It works at a slower pace, but was able to drive 3 inches deck screws flush into our double-stacked 2x10s at just over 2.5 pounds. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it the perfect option for beginners or entry-level DIYers. Although it has a longer charge time, it has sufficient battery life to handle home tasks like hanging a coat rack or putting together new furniture, and swapping out the battery is relatively easy. Overall, it is very convenient and user-friendly, and it comes in a compact form that is easy to stash in a drawer. In terms of pure power, the Black+Decker 20V Max Drill Driver LDX 120C is severely deficient and pales compared to premium models. We found the performance highly unimpressive when using a larger 5 inches hole saw, and it could only drive in the big lag bolt to 3.19 inches out of the full 5. If prolonging its life is important, we can't say we recommend using this model for either of these types of tasks. Overall, we felt it was less durable than other drills. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bosch 12V Max Drill Driver Kit PS3012A. If you are shopping on a budget and like the pistol grip style and compact size of a 12-volt drill, then the Bosch 12V Max Drill Driver Kit PS3012A is a fantastic option for you. This model is a great option for the average homeowner who might want to undertake some DIY or home improvement projects, but isn't doing any major renovations on their own. This pint-sized device packs plenty of punch, doing well in our drilling and driving evaluations. It was able to drill into a solid core door with a 5 inches hole saw in 70 seconds. This is slightly below average for the entire group, but it is one of the best times among the 12V models we tested. All of this comes in a neat little package that is highly intuitive and convenient to operate. This handy cordless is lightweight. We measured it at 2.17 pounds, ergonomic, and a great addition to any DIYer's arsenal. Being smaller and lighter, this tool fits nicely into tight and dark spaces that larger tools cannot access, and it doesn't take up as much space on a tool bench. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.